Welcome to the takeover. For those trying to stop me, I would like you to please consider the following. You should know that I don't ever stop to second guess it. You're in the presence of a legend. You should know that I've been busy counting all my blessings. You should know you're dealing with a stop to second guess it. You should know that you're in the presence of a legend. You should know that I've been busy counting all my blessings. You should know you're dealing with a ooh, y'all would rather flex, I would rather work. I just do my best, haters do your worst. Y'all have been a mess, truly going berserk. Hope you get better, but I'm really not concerned. Know that I'ma be okay, I don't really feel no shame. Y'all better get ghost, man, I'm about to seal your fate. Tell them all to relocate, y'all better be toast. Still they wanna underestimate, y'all ain't qualified to judge me anyway. Probably wouldn't even touch your resume, rather put a knife to your tongue and separate. Still they trying to give bad advice, like going viral won't happen twice. But it's crystal clear what I did this year, and my biggest fears living an average life. Got a sound that you can't provide, came up, the new trash decline. Living proof that true rap survives. Study my shit if you watching. You should know that I don't ever stop to second guess it. You should know that y'all are in the presence of a legend. You should know